What's up, y'all? Alright, y'all, this is Amaya's lock journey. Okay, that is one of the oils that I'm going to use on her scalp. That is the second oil that I'm going to use. That is a bottle of water, a comb, and a clip. Alright, so right now her hair is freshly washed, and I'm just separating it so I can work like on one section. And I am going to be retwisting her hair. This is the first time I've ever done this. I've been watching YouTube videos on how to do this. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments on how to do it the second time. Because the first time that we initially got her hair locked like this and twisted, it was $135. And I don't want to pay that again. I want to just go ahead and do it myself since it can be done. So basically what I saw was people put oil, and this is the oil and water method. We're not using any products. She doesn't want to use products. So I'm just doing what I saw, y'all. Let me know if I'm doing it wrong or what else I need to do. But all I did basically was put oil and water on each section. I parted the section out, and what I saw somebody do is like rip the hair apart to get a clean section, because her hair was all matted up, because she's had her hair like this. This new growth is like over a month old. So yeah, I'm just twisting it and then twisting the bottom part with my hand. But for some reason the length of her hair was still frizzy. I don't know what I must have done wrong, but yeah. And if you hear anything, y'all, any noises, I have children and a dog, so please excuse me. Now, as I got to the top part of her hair, I stopped ripping her hair with my hands to get a clean part. I just started cutting it with scissors. And that seemed to be much easier, and she liked it so much better because I wasn't ripping her hair. I don't see how people can do it like that. Like, oh my gosh, I can't. But I need to know how to keep the length of her hair twisted. That's the problem that we're having. The length of her hair is just, it's puffy. You'll see it like at the end of this when her hair dries. But yeah, I'm just twisting the root, and then I'll twist the length of her hair with my hands, my palm, and then I clip it with a clip so it can stay. And sometimes you could put two on one clip. You could say clip. Yeah, y'all, this is her lock journey. Hopefully you guys follow her lock journey, because I'll be doing her twist, and hopefully it'll be better next time, because she told me I did it wrong. Mama, you did it wrong. So now I know that after people twist, they braid it up in sections. That's one thing I did not do. Let me know if I have to do that, because I felt like I didn't have to do that. I didn't see everybody doing that. Only some people were doing it. But I'm going to go ahead and let the music play, y'all, so y'all can just watch how I do this.
Let's go.
want y'all to look really, really close just to give me the critiques that I need. You see how the length of her hair is still puffy? Maybe we just need to give it some more time so it can lock, because it's not even all the way locked yet. And I don't know if it's supposed to be by now or not, but like if we didn't want her, if she didn't want to have dreads anymore, we could actually take them down. But I'm done here, and we're gonna put her under the dryer. She was under the dryer just for like about an hour, and this is how it turned out. You see how it's puffy on the ends? This is the front. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video everywhere, y'all, so we can get some help here. And we will see you guys in the next video.